Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, today's geometry part 2. It is circle and its parts. Okay, what is a circle first? A circle is a round figure. We know only till that. Now we are going to see its parts. That is parts of the circle. There are 4 parts we are going to now discuss. It is a center O, that is a center point, and diameter AB. This is the line which starts from A and ends at B, and radius from the center O to the circumference, that is the ring of the circle. We say it's circumference. Okay, so now we'll see deep into it. So first is center. The point in the middle of the circle is its center O. The point in the center or middle of the circle is its center. Okay, from here only we will draw using compass. From this center point O only we will trace our pencil starting from one point and make a one full round of the pencil and bring it back to the starting point. You get a circle. Then what is its circumference? Yes, circumference is the length of the boundary of a circle. The length of the boundary. Now this one is the boundary. This red one is the boundary. That's length is nothing but the circumference. Okay. So if you take a thread and if you start from one point and just make a round along the circle and bring it back, and when it ends not at the same starting point, just take it out and check the length. That is going to be our circumference if you want to check. Okay. The length, the line segment joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle and passing through its center is called its diameter. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference. Now we are aware of circumference. So any point on the boundary of the circle is the circumference point. So the point on its circumference, point what they are saying is joining the 2 points which is on the circumference from one end and which is passing through the center, and when it reaches the other end, it is nothing but our diameter. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference, let it be A and B, but surely that point must pass through the center. That is very important. That is only our diameter. Otherwise it is called by some other name. You are not given this year. That is chord, we say. That is not given for you this year. So when it passes through the when it passes through the center only, we say it is a diameter. Okay. Then the next one is radius. The line segment joining the center and the point on the circumference of the circle is called its radius. So that point will start from the center O, and when it reaches the circumference, from center to the circumference, it is our radius. That is why our radius, we say 2 radius makes a diameter. That is from A to O, again from O to B. So these 2 radius will make one diameter. Say for example, if our radius is 5 centimeter, what will be our diameter? It is double, because from here to here, same length from here to here. That is from A to O is same as O to B. Okay, because everywhere when you start when you start drawing a circle with the same radius, when you measure the radius, you know how to measure by this time, I think, using compass from 0 to some measurement what they have given, like 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That remains the same from the starting point, tracing towards the edge or using the pencil. When you come back to the starting point again, making one full round and coming back to the starting point, the radius remains the same. We don't change the radius. Say if it is 4 centimeter at the starting point, will it change when you go somewhere here or here or here? No, it remains the same. So the 4 centimeter will be the same throughout the tracing, throughout our tracing, and coming back to our starting point. We'll start over here. We'll make one round like this, and then when you come back again to the starting point, the radius remains the same. So that is what I said. So the radius will be the same. Then double the radius is our diameter. So when our radius is from O to B is 4 centimeter now, then our diameter will be 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Always double the radius. So from here to here, one radius. From here to here, one radius means from this O to A and other radius. So 2 radius makes 1 diameter. Okay, let us check that first. Yes. So see here we have given diameter is equal to 2 into radius, or radius is equal to diameter by 2. When you make half of the diameter is our radius, that is why we are dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 is making it half. Okay. The length of the diameter is twice its radius. The length of the diameter is twice its radius. Okay. So example 1 is when R is given as 5 centimeter. What is our diameter? 2 radius makes 1 diameter. So radius equal to 2 in diameter is, they are asking for diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius. That is 2 into radius is 5. 2 5s are 10, or 5 plus 5, 10 you can say. Very easy. That's it. Then radius is given. They are asking you to find diameter. The next sum, diameter is given. We are asked to find radius. So for diameter is equal to, so for radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is 8. We are making, wow, what is half of 8? 8 is divided by 2. When it is divided by 2, you get 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, like that you can say. So this is what is finding the diameter and radius. When they are asking for diameter, you are multiplying the radius into 2. When you are asked for radius, you are dividing the diameter by 2. That's it. Okay. Once again, coming to this circle. Circle is its center, circumference, radius and diameter. Center is the middle point of the circle. Circumference is the length of the boundary of a circle. Length of the boundary of the circle. And the line segment joining the 2 points on the circumference, which is passing through the center, is very important. That is our diameter. And the line segment joining the center and the circumference, point on the circumference, that is very important. The line segment joining the center and the point on the circumference is our radius. You should always be thorough with this definitions of all the 4 parts of the circle. Okay. And by the way, they're finding the diameter and finding the radius. That's it, children. Now drawing a circle. Yes. How will you draw a circle? Draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter given. So using scale with a metal point on O, metal tip on O and pencil on that exactly at 2, you are going to measure Then next step is mark a point A in the middle of the paper. Then holding the metal point on this point and trace a curve by moving the pencil arm around. Then next step, keep moving, reach the starting point. This is our circle. Okay, now name it. AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Then join the radius from this from the starting point, from the center point to the starting point. This is our required radius. Okay, that's it. Once again, you want I tell you. So measure the given centimeter using a compass with the metal tip and pencil. And next step is mark a point A on the sheet of paper, middle of the page, and place the metal tip of the compass on that point, this point A. Then start tracing, holding steadily metal tip in its place here. Trace a curve by moving the pencil arm around. Keep moving like this. You join it. Then mark it with A and B and draw the radius. Radius AB is equal to 2 centimeter is our radius. Required circle is this one with the radius 2 centimeter. That's all for today, children. And one more thing is concentric circles. Concentric circle is nothing but with the same center here with a different radius. Say this is for 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. With 2 centimeter, you keep the metal tip over here and make a circle. With the same metal tip here, you measure 4 centimeter, and with the same center, you draw again one more circle. With the same center, with the metal tip, you draw again another circle with 6 centimeter. You get concentric circles. These concentric circles are nothing but the circles with same center. The center will be the same here. But the radii, plural for radius is radii or radii. Radii are called concentric circles, different radii. Say this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter maybe, or 2, 4, 6, your wish. You can take the radius, you can measure the radius with 3 different or any number of different radii, and you can draw a circle with the same center. You get this type of circles, concentric circles. Okay, this is what is concentric circles. That's all for today, children. And do the worksheet given to you, and also write the note of a circle and its part in your classwork note, and draw the circle with the given measurement given in your worksheet. That's all for today, children. Thank you.